Hello everyone, this is your Chef Rahul, and welcome to another episode of No Flame Cooking. Y'all might be hesitant to cook for various reasons, but I have the ways of making it very simple and enjoyable. So with that being said, I'll show all of you my version of a famous Italian appetizer, Bruschetta. So you'll need 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 pieces of garlic, a loaf of bread, 3 tomatoes, and 4 leaves of basil. So what you're going to do is place the blade of the knife on the garlic. Then press or hit the knife such that it crushes the garlic slightly. This way the skin will fall off and you can easily peel off the skin. Then take the knife and dice the garlic pieces. So you want the garlic pieces to be chopped up as much as possible. So what you're going to do is use the knife tip as a fulcrum and cut the garlic pieces as small as possible. Then put all the chopped pieces of garlic into the bowl of oil and stir. So you're going to take the black pepper and grind it. I prefer to not grind it totally, that's just my preference, but depending on your preference, you can grind it as much as you want. So you're going to take the tomatoes, and for each of them, you're going to have to cut off the tip, and you will dice the tomatoes. Once you're done dicing the tomatoes, set them aside. Then you're going to stack a bunch of basil leaves on top of each other. Then you're going to roll them up. Then you're going to cut up the basil leaves into small pieces. Eventually, using the same fulcrum method, cut up the basil leaves into very, very small pieces. Mix up the tomato and basil leaves and pour both of them into the bowl. So then go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt, and then the 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Then you'll stir all the contents in the bowl so that they're evenly mixed. So you're going to take your loaf of bread, and if not already, you're going to start slicing the bread into smaller pieces. Now before you go on to the next step, plug in the griddle so that it heats up while you go on to the next step. So using the brush, you're going to spread the oil garlic mixture onto each slice of bread. So you're going to take each slice of bread after you spread the oil garlic mixture on one side, and you're going to heat each side for 2 minutes. So then after about 2 minutes, flip each slice over. So once you're done, you're going to unplug the griddle and then load all the slices of bread onto the plate. So once you put the bread on the plate, put about a spoon of the tomato basil mixture on each slice. You can also add Parmesan or shredded mozzarella cheese if you wanted to. And there you go! You now have your awesome Italian appetizer waiting to be eaten. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.